Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.3 on Ubuntu 24.04. But the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. First open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. Hit enter. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 17.3. Okay, click on download, then click on Linux. Scroll down. Then select the Linux distribution, Ubuntu. Once you selected, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed to install the PostgreSQL. Also notice here, the PostgreSQL apt repository supports the current versions of Ubuntu 24.04, 23.10, 22.04 and 20.04 LTS versions. Okay, scroll down. Now to install PostgreSQL, we have to execute all these commands one by one. Open terminal. Copy the first one. This is going to install curl and CA certificates. Paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. It is done. Now install this pgtg. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now import the signing key. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now create the repository configuration file by copying this command. Paste it. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. All done. Ctrl A. Now we have to install the PostgreSQL. So sudo apt install PostgreSQL. If you don't give any version number, it will install the latest one. But if you want to install 16, you have to give -16, or 15, you have to give 15, like this. Okay. So I want to install latest one. So don't give any version number. Hit enter. See, now it is going to install PostgreSQL 17. Okay, type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL 17. And also see here, default max connections are 100, shared buffer size is 120 megabytes. And see here, we have other info. And this is the data directory. Okay, first verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is running and it is enabled. Q to quit, Ctrl L. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, PSQL 17.3, but this is not the PostgreSQL server version. It is the PSQL client version. Verify the version, select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.3. Okay. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user by using the command alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password. Alter. We have successfully set the password of the Postgres user. Now verify list of databases. \l is the command to verify the list of the databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. Q to quit. Now create a database. Create database. Now verify again. See here we have these databases. Q to quit from this output. Now connect to this new database and create a table. \c or connect, either is fine to switch to database from current to another one. See the message, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Let us verify list of tables. \tt is the command to verify the list of the tables. The commands that starts with / are called as meta commands. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create See, we have the table and owner name is the Postgres. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these 3 rows. Now we will see how to create a user in PostgreSQL. Before that, verify the list of the users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, and which is having all privileges. See here, it is super user. Now create a user. Now verify. See here, new user is created. Now exit and connect with new user. PSQL-u James -d. Then provide the database name -h localhost. Enter. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. Current underscore user. See, we have connected PSQL with the user James. Now switch to bank database. See, we are now connected to the database bank as the user James. Now run the query against table that we have created. See, permission denied for the table customer because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, to exit again use the \q. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL service on Ubuntu Linux operating systems. Exit because we can't start or stop or restart with Postgres user. That's why I have exited from this user. Ctrl L sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, it is running. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service is stopped. Also, we can verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres esql. See, we are unable to connect. So exit. Ctrl L. Start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is running. If you want to restart, just give this sudo. Just replace the start with restart. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Verify the status. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. We took it. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect to PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbeaver. These are the most popular tools. Go to pgadmin.org and then the tool is dbeaver.io. See here, pgadmin is the most popular and feature-rich open source administration and development platform for PostgreSQL, the most advanced open source database in the world. Click on download, then click on drop downs, then click on apt, then it will populate the list of the commands that needs to be installed. See, these are the commands that needs to be installed. And also see here, we have the 2 modes, desktop mode and web mode. Okay, I'm not going to show you how to do that, but you can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin for on Ubuntu Linux operating systems. And another tool is dbeaver. See, dbeaver community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, database administrators, analysts, and everyone working with data. It supports popular databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache Family, and more. And see here we have the 2 versions, dbeaver community and dbeaver pro. dbeaver community is free one. So click on download, then select the Debian package. Scroll down. See here we have the Debian package. You have to download this one, then we have to install. Okay, as I told you, you can check my YouTube channel for how to install DVR on Ubuntu Linux operating systems. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.3 on Ubuntu 24.04. As I told you, the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.